Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So we're here today again with another great Cricut craft. So today we're going to talk about glitter iron-on. We're actually going to make a fun pot holder for Christmas. So let's get started cutting our glitter iron-on and adding it to our pot holders. So you're going to need your pot holders, weeding tool, some glitter heat transfer vinyl in any colors you choose. So I'm going to use white, red, and gold. Then you'll need something to press it with. I'm going to use the Easy Press and the Easy Press Matte. The first thing you'll need to do is to actually cut the glitter heat transfer vinyl with your design. So you will want to open up the cut file for these. So you can find that at the link in the description for this video. You'll want to mirror all of your mats before cutting, and then cut your design on the glitter iron-on setting. You'll want to be sure if you're using an Explore Air 2 or any of the Explore series that you pick custom on your dial and choose the glitter setting, as it is different from regular iron-on. And then we're just going to weed all of the excess away from the outside of the design and the centers of any letters. Now you may have trouble seeing the lines on heat transfer vinyl, and you can use something like a Cricut bright pad or put your heat transfer vinyl up against a window to let the light shine through the cut areas, and that helps a little bit. And we'll just weed all three colors and we'll press these onto our pot holders. Now we've weeded all our pieces and we'll need to press it to our pot holder. So the first thing you want to do is sort of lay it out as it will be pressed. And we're going to press each of these at a different time. So we'll just lay it out on the pot holder wherever we would like it. And then we'll press the white portion first. And because I'm not sure about the material on these, I actually lay a protective sheet over the top. You could also use parchment paper for this type of thing. This is a Teflon sheet. And then we'll press for the full amount of time at the correct temperature. And you can find times and temperatures on the Cricut Heat Guide. Then after we pressed it, we're actually going to try to lift this up, because we're going to be pressing it multiple times. We can lift up now, and then we'll add our next piece. So the gingerbread men, and you don't want the liner to interfere with the other pieces if possible. And then you want to be sure to protect this heat transfer vinyl that we already pressed. Then put our Teflon sheet and then press again. Then we'll just repeat this same process for the hearts to finish off our project. After this final press, we'll remove all the carrier sheets. We'll flip it over, press it from the back, and now we have one completed pot holder. And I'll go ahead and repeat this same process for the second pot holder. So this is a quick and easy idea, perfect for Christmas gifts, drop them in a gift basket, that type of thing. Now, it is glitter week over on thecountrysheetcottage.net. I will not have a video for every one of the crafts, But if you want to head over to thecountrysheetcottage.net, you can get the cut files for these two, as well as see other great glitter crafts. Be sure to follow along all week as we have tons of great glitter ideas all week from myself as well as some of the other bloggers that are participating. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you love this video, love this craft idea, give us a thumbs up. You might want to head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, please feel free to ask us in the comment section below. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week with another great video. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.